In this video, we will talk about Ibn al-Haytham, one of the lesser-known but influential Arab scientists. Ibn al-Haytham, also known by his full name Abu Ali al-Hasan Ibn al-Haytham, was a scientist from the Islamic world in the Middle Ages, renowned for his work on optics and light using the scientific method. He is often called the father of modern optics, highlighting his contributions to the field. Born in Basra in 965, Ibn al-Haytham showed a keen interest in mathematics and natural sciences at a young age, showcasing his exceptional curiosity and intellect. Driven by his passion for learning, he received a broad education in fields ranging from astronomy to metallurgy, paving the way for a scientific career that would transcend borders and eras. Ibn al-Haytham was a pioneer in the scientific method, advocating principles of skepticism, criticism, and experimental observation. He developed a unique approach that diverged from traditional methods. His perspective has been considered foundational in scientific revolutions, particularly in the fields of optics and physics. He championed a method based on experiment and observation long before the scientists of the Renaissance, influencing centuries of knowledge. His writings later inspired Western scientists profoundly. Ibn al-Haytham's most famous work, the Book of Optics, guided the development of optical science. He was the first scientist to relate vision to the brain, explaining that light travels in straight lines and elaborating on reflection and refraction. By using the Camera Obscura principle, he demonstrated how light functions, laying the groundwork for the science of photography that we know today. With his interest in astronomy, he determined that atmospheric density affects light refraction and explained why celestial bodies near the horizon appear larger. He also studied the orbits of the sun and moon, offering new perspectives on understanding planetary motion and contributing greatly to future research in the field. Ibn al-Haytham's contributions to mathematics and mechanics were equally significant. He worked extensively on geometry and methods of induction, developing principles that are still in use today. He addressed gaps in Euclidean geometry and criticized Ptolemy's errors with insight that helped shape mathematical thought. Beyond his scientific work, Ibn al-Haytham was also a philosopher who argued that truth could only be found through experimentation and observation, a belief that was radical for his time. He questioned the views of ancient philosophers like Aristotle and Ptolemy, fostering the growth of both science and philosophy in the Islamic world and beyond. Ibn al-Haytham left a revolutionary legacy in light and optical science. His works were translated into Latin in Europe, greatly influencing Renaissance scientists and thinkers. His pioneering role paved the way for foundational figures of modern science, such as Newton and Kepler, who benefited from his insights. As the founder of optics and light science, Ibn al-Haytham's work continues to shed light on modern science, proving his ideas truly timeless. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to learn about other inspiring but lesser-known contributors to science.